Hey guys, welcome back to Joan Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out WWE 2K23 for the PC. Today I'm running this on my Intel Core i3-10105 with the Intel UHD 630 integrated graphics. We're running with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory, and I hope you guys were wondering what I was doing this whole time. I've been trying to get this damn thing to come back on for me. But yeah, anyway, so I figured out a way to get the game to run borderless this time around. Finally, it's running borderless. We're running texture quality at standard, the monitor at 1. Basically, we have everything to the lowest or off, and we are using AMD FSR 1 because for the first time ever, they give us FSR, but it's pretty pointless, if I'm being honest with you. Anyway, I'm running at 640 by 480, and we're going to see how this performs. The slow motion effect is still there. I don't know how to fix it. Don't ask. Unless you have something a bit more powerful, just drop the res, it'll probably help.
The combatants are locked inside Hell in a Cell. This is a nightmare.
But otherwise, this is pretty much how this is going to perform. Now, it does get faster when they actually start, but as you can see, this is pretty much it. This is pretty much it.
Hard ride to the outside. That was just wrong.
And to be honest with you, this is basically how it's performing at 1080p and 720p.
Randy Orton looking to finish this one early.
It's quite a strange thing, but there's no way to actually get this.
And he breaks up the pinfall.
We're actually not even going to keep going with that because that wasn't doing much for us. Let's hit a one-on-one and see what happens with a normal one-on-one match. Let's see. I'm curious. Let's not even do Hell in a Cell. There's a lot of people in there. Can I do somewhere that's empty? Let's just... I can barely read anything. Where's the performance center? Give me the performance center. I don't have anything on, so I doubt any characters would be there anyway. What am I saying? I could do anywhere. Let's do Raw, I guess. Yeah, because... Maybe NXT. Why not? Let's go. Did I keep on entrances? Because if I did, yikes. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Once again, this is me just testing out games on low-end hardware that have no right being tested on with this damn thing. Because we both know this game can't run on here.
The bell rings, you can tell from the look in John Cena's eyes that he is
but here we are nonetheless.
Hustle, loyalty, and respect. That's the battle cry, Michael. We all know that when it comes to the squared circle, there is no one with more hustle than John Cena.
He certainly has that motto on his
The thing about it, it's also an engine problem because my GPU isn't being fully utilized either.
Reigns has been anointed the tribal chief by his family's elders, and he is absolutely merciless when it comes to his defense of that mantle.
Honestly,
it's crazy how loud that audio is, the commentary is, even though I dropped it already. There's not much for me to do here with this. I just want to show you guys that, hey, once again, another year, it doesn't run. It's not a shocker. This is how this goes. But yeah, I'm just probably gonna leave now. And we're gonna have some luck with the R9280X instead, which is gonna be more fun for me. This is gonna run like this at 20 FPS. I can't get 30 no matter what I do. They don't have many settings, and well, everything is already at its lowest. So this is probably as best you're gonna get if you have a 630. If you have something weaker than this, guys, come on. It's gonna run worse. Like, I don't even want to have to say it. Not, it's gonna run worse, guys. I'll see you guys next time.
Jack.
Nap time on the island of relevancy.
Roman Reigns with a cravat sleeper. Submission, will he tap out? Cena with nowhere to go. Is Cena going to tap out? He had nowhere to go. He had to give up. It's over, all in a night's work. is your winner, Roman Reigns. This is a battle of respect between two gladiators. John Cena has a look of total disbelief.
Roman Reigns just conquered one of the most dominant figures in sports entertainment history.
I'm not shy in saying John Cena is the greatest of all time. Roman Reigns is going to talk about this watershed moment for the rest of his career.
The big dog has been unleashed.
The unforgiving structure is down and the bell is rung.
Unforgiving and at times outright ominous.
Sent to the outside hard.
Just
I know the WWE Universe eats up these Hell in a Cell matches, but I wonder if they know just how dangerous it is to these superstars' lives and livelihood.
Oh, no question, Michael. I hope the EMTs are standing by and ready, because if history is any guide, we're going to need them.
5 tons of steel versus human flesh and bone. What could possibly go wrong, guys?
An awful lot.
And these superstars know it, Michael.
Going for the cover. And he breaks the pin. He'll be back in the ring. And a well-executed move we just saw there.